To Hunter Biden's plea deal now on hold after the judge overseeing the case was unable to accept details of the deal. The DOJ also saying the investigation is still ongoing. For more on the Hunter Biden situation, let's welcome in our panel, former National Press Secretary for the Trump campaign, former Principal Deputy Press Secretary at the White House, Hogan Gidley, and attorney, Republican strategist, and Turning Point USA contributor, Erin Elmore. And for Erin, from a legal standpoint, where do you see this going? Do you think he could be going to trial?
Well, the walls are certainly closing in on Hunter. Yesterday was a big day, and Marielle Noriega really stuck it to both the prosecution and the defense. She basically said, I'm not going to sit here and rubber stamp this deal. I have questions. This is unprecedented and potentially unconstitutional. So I know one thing going forward. Hunter is under strict supervision. He has to take random drug tests. He might have to wear an alcohol or drug monitor. He has to apprise the court of any international travel. He has to show attempts to gain employment. So I really think the scrutiny that's going to be on Hunter going forward is massive. And let's not discount how close Devon Archer was to Hunter Biden. He was also on the board of Burisma. He was with Hunter every step of the way. On Air Force Two, knew exactly what Joe Biden was saying and what his role is. So Monday is going to be a massive day for Hunter Biden, and it's only going to snowball from there.
Yeah, I know the judge, she asked him a lot of questions yesterday, including his business dealings. She asked him about Burisma. So, we'll see how this plays out on Monday, too. I don't think we're going to be talking about this for a while.
A plea agreement, so I think it's a big deal.
Yeah.
Can I add something to the governor's point there? The reason why the judge partially did this, if I'm right, is she said this shouldn't just be blanket immunity into perpetuity. So by giving him sort of this sweetheart deal, this judge wanted to make sure that this wasn't providing immunity for all sorts of offenses that weren't necessarily covered by the prosecution's.
Yeah, great point, Erin. Hogan, we have about 15 seconds. President Biden hasn't addressed this yet. We heard from the press secretary yesterday. She came out during the press briefing, had this blanket statement already crafted. But do you think we'll hear from the president? I know he'll be asked, at least by certain media outlets. But what do you think?
I doubt we're going to hear much from him on this. I think he wants to be as quiet as possible for obvious reasons. Anything he says is going to be absolutely scrutinized, and it should be. He's already lied about this on multiple occasions. It's going to continue to come out. I want it duly noted. Donald Trump was impeached over a phone call in which he asked about corruption with the Biden family, and here we are again. Donald Trump being absolutely correct.